What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Serving.
It's your boy BGC.
And welcome back to
Hood Reacts. No
man.
cat.
Feel me? You see what we got for y'all today, man. We got that Lil Yachty Won't Diss You. You feel me? Appreciate everybody liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing the video, everything, man. We on the road to 5,000 subs. You feel me? Make sure you check out the stream. We live on stream right now at Bands Go Crazy. Bands with an X. Yeah, Bands with an X. Go Crazy with 2 eyes. You feel me? Check out the second channel at the Leafy Layers as well. But without further ado, man, let's get into it.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah.
Grow up, nigga. Hey. Hey. It's us. Hey. These niggas ain't never had struggles. These niggas ain't never had issues. Cross me rapping and tissue. Not still going on like I miss you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Won't dish you, nah, won't dish you. Online, I'll never go dish you. If anything, I say I miss you. In person, we'll get right with you. In person, we step to your door. I'll drive the Rolls Royce like your door. Put that motherfucker inside the law. I love vodka, need it for 4. Me and Twin, we rock like the Stones. I jump off a court at Chrome. I fuck up a sack for dome. I never cut that with the Jones. My earrings big as a bone. Me and Twin.
Nah, yeah.
Shit.
And this shit 2 minutes and 31 seconds. You already know what we gotta do.
You
know what we gotta do.
Come on, man.
It's already up there at the top for me.
Yep.
Down. As soon as you type up Lil Yachty, that motherfucker pop up because this shit is a fucking fire song. And when did he drop this? 2 weeks ago?
I never cut that with the Jones. My earrings big as a bone. Me and Twin want the same cologne. Me and Twin fuck these bitches in twos. If it's up, fuck it the fuse. I need hit on no blade. Brand new Mercedes, Alpine, bust out the grave. I done got 2 blades, bad bitch blazing. How about them pop out your fade? How about them break out the cage? Eat up an X and day. I'm smirking behind these shades. It's that verse for her, she laid. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about quick scope phase? Shot a cully straight through the blade. That's Gabby. I found receipts so the bitch get nasty. Pop it, pop out, go Gretzky. Bitch get cheeky, I guessed it. How about us that new necklace? Ice cross for S's. Every week I'm exiting. I fell in love with a Texan. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about quick scope phase? Shot a cully straight through the blade. How about paint it all real like the Braves? How about E raise? How about Molly's beige? How about low flight beige?
Nah.
Okay.
Cause
Yeah.
he started fucking bugging when that beat came back in. Hold on. Run that back.
Ice cross for S's. Every week I'm exiting. I fell in love with a Texan. How about them pop out the cage? How about them slide through fade? How about quick scope phase? Shot a cully straight through the blade. How about paint it all real like the Braves? How about E raise? How about Molly's beige? How about low flight beige? You see me, feel me, you cap, you need an Emmy. You got, you dimmy, you slime, past your limits. I can see all your gimmicks, I can tell your timid. I pop out the Senate, put a bad bitch in a blender. How about, put a bad bitch in a, how about blend? How about blend? Blend.
What the
Blend.
fuck?
Blend.
What the
Fun
fuck?
nigga spin. Fun nigga spin. Yeah. Fun nigga spin. Fun nigga spin. Fun nigga spin. Fun nigga move around.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like that. That shit was crazy.
Yo.
Oh man, 2 weeks ago, 1 mil. Come on.
Yo.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Wow. I ain't gonna lie. Wow.
Crazy.
Damn. That was a good ass song. I ain't gonna lie.
That beat too.
That beat was just so.
I don't that shit nowhere ever.
I don't know what it was, but that beat just hit my heart just so beautifully, bro. That beat was like I can't even give it a 10 out of 10 rating because it's better than that.
Yeah. That's
like,
beautiful. Work.
That was art.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck what nobody say. That was fucking art. That was
I
amazing.
fuck with Yachty, yo. Heavy.
Yachty makes so much art. That shit was beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. Hey man, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Road to 5K. Make sure you.
I thought you was crying.
Huh? Oh nah.
Like,
I don't know.
Beautiful.
No, I had this fucking stuff. I got this one stuffy nose for some reason for the past 2 days, bro.
Why?
This shit been pissing me off. Like, I don't know why, bro.
Yeah, that's wicked.
He said, I thought you was crying.
I'm like, damn, I ain't know that shit was that beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you.
Yo.
I feel you.
Yo, nah.
I'm like, shit, made me second guess. I'm like, maybe that shit made art.
Yo. Yo, that's funny as hell. He said, I thought you was crying, yo. Ready 1990s. Hey, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate the sub, man. Hey, my boy Lefty, what's going on, man?
Yeah, what up, guys?
Appreciate I said the sub. Appreciate the follow, man. No cut.
Yeah.
Yo, that shit was comedy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, my nigga crying. Yeah.
Yo, that's comedy. Oh my goodness, yo.
Yes, sir, man. I fuck
But hey, yeah, Yachty dropped a bang on this one, man. That shit was beautiful. I ain't gonna lie. But hey, man, make sure hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. Share the video out on the road to 5K. You already know what to do, man. You feel me? But hey, we gonna catch y'all on the next one. Hope y'all enjoyed this reaction. It's your boy BGC.
It's your boy K-Server.
And we out this thing, man. Gang.